So here I am explaining the Ohm's law. So I am taking this as a conductor, okay, and I have supplied a voltage between these two terminals, and the I current is flowing through this conductor. Okay. So as per the Ohm's law, Ohm's law states that when all the other physical quantities, that means the temperature and pressure and every physical quantities are constant, the supplied voltage, when we are going to increase the supplied voltage, I'm taking the supplied voltage to this conductor as V, what will happen? The current will increase. That means the voltage and the current have a directly proportional relationship. Okay? And so normally in physics what we are doing is to create a equation. To create an equation using a relationship, what we are doing is we are using a constant. Okay, I am taking the constant as R. Okay, and this is R, the constant V. Okay, and so here to explain this R, I am using some special method. I am taking the subject as I. Okay, so then we are getting I equals V over R. So now what I am trying to do is I am trying to change this R. That R changing means first I increase this R. Okay, I am taking here the voltage is a constant, and what will happen when I am increasing the resistor, that means this R constant, what will happen to the I will decrease. That means, okay, I take this example, when we increase something, this is going to decrease. That means this part, that means this constant is an obstacle for this current. Okay, that means the current for the current flowing, the resistance, that means the R is a obstacle. Okay, so that means we are taking this R, we are explaining this R as the resistance for the current flow. Okay, so here if someone is asking what are the factors affect on this R, the factors are the conductor length, okay, and the cross section area and the type of material. That means we are calling it as the rho. Okay, that means if you are taking A material, that rho is a different type. If you are taking B material, that rho will be different from that A value. Okay, so from that part we are taking the Ohm's law as V equals IR, okay, voltage equals current into resistance, and we are taking this R as the resistance. We are measuring this resistance using ohms. Okay, so when we are going to control current, then we can use two methods. First one is we can keep the voltage constant, okay, and if you want to increase the current, we have to decrease the resistance. Okay, in design processes, so normally what we are doing is to control the current, we are using a variable resistance. That means the resistor can be changed according to the requirement. Okay, so then from this part I will move some small examples to do in this